These 3 exercises are all you need in order to start calisthenics and also to get fit. Nothing more, just 3 exercises. So the first exercise are pull-ups, or if you are a total beginner, chin-ups. Grab the bar and your only goal is to get the chin over the bar, like this. Nothing else. If that's too hard, you can do the jumping chin-ups. Again, grab the bar and jump. And do slow negatives on the way down. Again, jump and slowly come down. Another variation for you is isometric hold at the top or halfway through. So somehow get up and hold it there. Or here. As I said, you can do pull-ups or chin-ups. If chin-ups are too easy for you, you can do always pull-ups. You can also hold it at the top, halfway. Also a good exercise is just hang on the bar. Basically you can do pull-ups if you can't hang on the bar, so this is another good exercise for you. After you master regular pull-ups, you can always do harder variation like this. There is always some way how to make the exercise harder. But you may ask, Zdenek, I can do pull-ups, not even chin-ups. Well, I have a solution for you. So the easier variation to chin-ups and pull-ups are Australian pull-ups and chin-ups. If you are a total beginner, start like this. Then go a little bit lower. And then the final stage here. Don't do it like this or like this, just somewhere in between. Also there's the chin-up variation, same things. Master these and then move on to regular chin-ups and pull-ups. Okay, so now we had pulling exercise and it's time for abs. So back to the bar. So the exercise for abs is are leg raises. Like this. Controlled as possible. Do not swing like this. Okay, controlled. Again, if that's too hard, you can do always the easier variation. Bend your legs and do raises like this. Okay, again, when they get easy, bring them a little bit higher. Then when you master all these, you can do the harder variation. You don't have to do it on a bar, you can do it also on the P-bars. So you simply go up and do knee raises, then you can do leg raises, and then you can bring the legs a little bit higher. So that's how it looks on P-bars. Now we will finish it with pushing exercise, and it's gonna be push-up. What a surprise. Basic things. Never flare elbows like this to the sides. The elbow stays always here or 45 degrees. Also you can do on the floor push-ups, that's obvious. But basically when you are starting, for total beginners, the normal push-up is too hard. So you can always go on knees and start practicing here. So another variation that could help you unlock normal push-ups are incline push-ups. Simply find a high bar or something, bench, start doing push-ups here. You can always switch up the grip, so you can go wider, a bit closer, Once the normal push-ups are easy, you can always again do harder variations. There's always something you can do to make the exercise harder, or just simply clapping push-ups. Okay, you understand. You are maybe asking, how many reps should I do? For example, if I can do 10 Australian pull-ups, I would do like 5-6 reps, 4 sets or 5. So 10 is your maximum, so you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest for like 45 seconds or 1 minute. And again 1, 2, and so on. There's no point of doing your max in one set and then you won't have any power to do the second set. So always do like 60 to 75% of your maximum. Same with push-ups, the knee raises. Once you feel the 6 reps for 5 sets are easy, increase the number to 7. Like the best workout schedule would be every other day, maybe 3 times a week. So you can start on Monday, then on Wednesday, and finish it off on Friday. So 3 times a week it's good if you are just starting out. Also, if it's your first workout, don't max out, because the next day your muscles will be so sore that it will demotivate you for the second workout. These are the 3 exercises you really need in order to start calisthenics, or basically to get fit. Just pull-ups, push-ups and leg raises for abs. So nothing more, just 3 exercises. There's no reason to explain you how to use more of your lats or more of your biceps. Just do the move, and these things you will figure it out on your own. Hope you guys like this video, and I wish you the best on your calisthenics journey. If you are interested in this type of exercise, you can watch other my videos. I have a couple of tutorials on different skills, but I will suggest to train like 1 or 2 years of just basics to get the base strength, and then start doing the harder skills: front lever, back lever, handstand planche. And always remember, the wider your base is, the higher the peak will be. So